Why is this $30? Oh, it comes with 1K V-Bucks too?
Yo, Mike check.
Yo. Do you guys see the new deep freeze bundle in the store?
Literally already wearing it.
Did I see what?
The deep freeze.
Not in the item shop. It's in the actual store.
Oh. $29.
Yeah, you get it. Dude, yeah, you get
You
$1,000
get $10 for the V-Bucks for this. So technically, it's a $20 skin.
That's actually a really cool skin. Yeah. I'll do that later. I think all my cards upstairs.
You don't have your card on it already?
No, I always take it off.
Smart, dude. Tiffany, happy birthday. That's awesome, man. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Ride anything with 1100 bits.
Walk in the middle there, Tim. I want to test something. Keep going. Is this working?
Okay, dude. Alright, dude. That's toxic. Whatever. Make sure you tag me on the Twitter clip. Yeah, follow my channel, dude. Whatever, bro.
Holy shit. Damn, that was dirty. Oh my god, he just got right. Whoa.
I heard explosions. Oh, that's actually fighting back behind us in Snobby.
Alright, well, leave it. Leave it. I don't want to come back.
Wait there, guy. Don't move. Don't move. Hold on.
I set up our shield. Where you at? Oh.
Alright, now I'll leave it alone.